Welcome back, eSIM Studios. This is the intro. This is the Nothing Phone 2 versus the Pixel 8 Pro camera test, video test as well. Threw in a video and a couple of videos, front and back videos, and then some camera samples and stuff like that. We'll get to it real quick. I'm going to split the screen between the Nothing Phone 2 photos and videos will be on the left. Will be on the left side of your screen, and the Pixel 8 Pro will be on the right side of your screen. Now, it's very important when you're viewing this, before we jump into the comparison testing, in YouTube, go to settings, video quality, or settings, advanced video quality, and choose the very highest quality so you get the best comparison. I was going to do some more testing and throw it in the video, but I don't know if you can tell, it's raining outside, so couldn't do that today. So I'm just throw together what I got and let you be the judge. All right, now we have the Nothing Phone 2, which I'm recording front-facing camera and the audio, and the Pixel 8 Pro front-facing camera, as well as pulling audio from the mics of these devices. Both are on 1080p. I think 60 frames per second, but give you a good visual as far as what the front-facing cameras look like. Nothing Phone 2 has been drastically improved due to some software updates recently, and now it's on par with some of the better Android devices as far as still photos and video. But I want to do a front-facing video test because last month I did a video test between the Pixel 8 Pro and the S23 Ultra, and now I'm getting a good test with these two devices. Nice brisk walk, stabilization. Looks a little smoother on the Nothing actually. And I am going to, on the way back, I'm going to reverse this and go from the the rear-facing cameras. Ready? Okay. Now we're on the rear-facing cameras. Both are at 1080p, 60 frames per second. Get a good look on as far as what everything looks like. It's cloudy. Sun is behind some clouds, but there it is right there. Kind of some afternoon shadows. Nothing crazy. hear the sounds from the dogs. And again, no, I'm not recording from Bluetooth. These are the audios coming straight from each device. But it's nice to see in the shadows and how the lights look with these devices while on video. Really been impressed with the Nothing Phone 2. Looks really nice. So, what'd y'all think? It's pretty close, right? That was just a small sample of kind of some photos I had collected between the Pixel 8 Pro and the S23 Ultra. I am going to do a more in-depth comparison. I'm going to do a night shot only video comparison between the Phone 2 and the Pixel 8 Pro. I'm going to do a number of specific comparison videos. This was just a small collection of each of some of the different features between the two phones. I want to do each device has a 12 megapixel camera and a 50 megapixel camera on the back. I'm going to do a 50 megapixel photo shoot comparison between the two. I'm going to do, like I said, a night sight or night shot comparison between the two devices video. So it's pretty interesting. It's improved a lot. I was thinking that on the photos of the, you know what, speaking of night sight, the reason why I want to do a night sight specific only video comparison between the Phone 2 and the Pixel 8 Pro is that, to be quite honest with you, it looks like the Nothing Phone 2 takes better quality photos, better shots with night sight on and activated. It takes better night sight photos than the Pixel 8 Pro, which is pretty amazing because Pixel, as you know, introduced that feature to the mobile tech world. So they're like the innovators of that, and it looks like Nothing is, whatever they're doing over there, whatever they're doing is working. So finally got something right on there where they can, whatever it is inside their sensors, tweaking it just right, the cameras, to get really, really good quality, right? The picture of the cat was pretty good. The macro mode's pretty damn good. A lot of it's good, you know. A lot of it's really good. So, and we've only had the device for what, 4 months or so, 4 or 5 months. So, it should get better, a little better with over time. So, we will continue doing comparison tests. I have a bunch of stuff compiled that I need to throw together in another video. So, please subscribe to the channel. We have a ton of stuff on the way. More. Wait till I get to the S23 Ultra, though. That's. I think the video is better on the S23 Ultra than it is on the Pixel. So that will be the big test for the Nothing Phone 2. See where it stacks up against the video test of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And see where it stacks up. And then I'll also do a selfie mode, front camera front camera comparison. So we got a lot going on over here at eSIM Studios. Always busy. I got a ton of ideas, so we're never short for content. But please subscribe, stay tuned, and let me know what you think in the comments. It improved so much from when it first released back in July to right now in mid-November. It's improved as far as the camera, as far as the quality of the pictures, photos, and videos. I cannot think of another phone that has improved this much, because y'all know, when back in July when I got my unit, I was basically trashing the phone for the camera quality, the janky camera app. It was bad. It was just flat out bad. In fact, the S21, a stock S21 that I had in the closet was taking better photos than the Nothing Phone 2. Since July, update. And now, look, I'll let you be the judge, but there's some photos where it goes head to head with a Pixel. A Pixel is widely regarded as the best camera phone in the business. So I cannot. I mean, it's drastically improved over these last 4 months. It's really amazing. I cannot think of another device that's improved this much over that amount of time. But what else before we get into it? I don't know. Hang on. Yes, almost forgot. There is a Gcam, a Google camera app, an APK. It's basically the Pixel camera app that you can install on other devices. It does improve the quality of some devices. I do have the Gcam app on my Nothing Phone 2. However, none of these photos, none of these videos that you're going to be seeing were taken with the Gcam app. All of the Nothing Phone 2 comparison shots versus the Pixel 8 Pro is with stock firmware. Is with the stock apps. The Pixel's with the Pixel camera app. Nothing Phone 2 is with the stock Nothing camera app. There's no editing. There's no anything. And I did not transfer these files to my computer for the comparison video. I did not transfer them via cloud. I transferred them via cable. As you know, that the cloud transfers from going cloud and then back down to a device can, disrupt the quality. So these are all as original as I could make it. Of course, I could go into post pictures and video, and I can touch up this and touch up that to make this look better. I didn't do that. I basically point, shoot, take samples, take videos, they saved to my phone, and today I uploaded them to my computer and made the video. So I hope you enjoy. Now, this is a small sample. I'm actually doing a bigger project. I'm doing one with the Nothing Phone 2 versus the S23 Ultra. So this is just a little taste to show you how much the Nothing Phone 2 has improved, and it proves basically over this last week or two of basically what I've been bragging about and proves my point that these cameras and Nothing have really improved. So this is a small sample of what I want to show you. The much larger, much more in-depth, detailed video and camera comparison will be available here in the next week or so. But let's get into this one.